Hello. We are on day 3 of week 1. I just wanted to send a video message welcoming everyone to the class. Um, Also, just kind of going over some helpful tips that may be useful if this is your first online class at Eastern Florida. So, here on the home page, I have some information about how to contact me. You can go to our course mail over here. If you go to your inbox, you can email me that way, or this email address, you could email me. Say you're locked out of Canvas, it's good to have this email address just written down somewhere because you'll be able to email me and it'll go to my Outlook. Another thing here is the announcements. So when you log into the class, it's just real easy just to open a new tab and see what announcements are out there. So I'm in instructor view, so you'll see tons of announcements on my side, but a couple of the first announcements that I posted are this getting started, and then also the announcement about Microsoft Word in case you are not using Microsoft Word. I do require that format for your submissions for your papers. So for the Dropbox, you are not permitted to submit a PDF, nor the Pages format if you're using a Mac. Make sure you go in here and get the Microsoft Word. So that's what's going to be compatible with the Dropbox. So here on the getting started and frequently asked questions are just a few housekeeping things to go over. So I know Turnitin is enabled in each Dropbox. So I just wanted to put this message here. You do not need to go out and go to the Turnitin website and actually enroll. You don't have to do that anymore because it's right here in Canvas in the Dropbox. So you don't have to worry about enrolling in Turnitin. I included here some links for tutoring because I just wanted everyone to know that tutoring is available and it's available online as well, so you don't have to go to campus. I know a lot of you probably are taking online classes for the flexibility. So just know that tutoring is also available online. With that said, they do have the tutors on campus as well. If you live near a campus and you just feel like going and meeting with someone face-to-face, then they offer that for students. And then here is a little rundown of what you need to do this first week. So review the syllabus. This one seems simple enough, like, oh, okay, yeah, there's a syllabus, but really read over it because that is our contract. So if there's something that I put in the syllabus that you're not aware of, like my policy on submitting late papers or how I grade the discussions. So that's information that will help you be successful in the course. So make sure you go over the syllabus. Then also in the week 1 module, you'll see a PowerPoint for MLA formatting and some information on what plagiarism is. For example, a lot of people don't know that plagiarism includes submitting your own work again. So maybe you've submitted a portion of a paper last year to an instructor and you want to use a part of that paper now in this course. That is actually a type of self-plagiarism. So you can't turn in the same work for 2 different grades, right? So look over that information this week so you get a head start and you know exactly what's expected when it comes to formatting and how to avoid plagiarism. Also, the discussion board expectations, I outline when I want you to post and when I want you to reply and how I award points for post and replies. The attendance activity for this term is just discussion 1. So I used to have a syllabus quiz. I did actually receive a couple emails. It looked like some of you completed the syllabus quiz. I apologize I thought I hid it and unpublished it, but I did see it was still published. It's not a big deal. If you completed it, it probably only took you a few minutes anyway, and it's just a nice test to make sure that you did understand some of the key points in the syllabus. And I think couple of the emails that I got were mostly asking about not receiving full credit for some questions. And for any question that you have to write in an answer, then I always go back and grade those by hand. So that'll come up for the MLA quiz and the midterm So just be aware in case you are taking a quiz and it shows that you earned 0 points and you wrote a short answer or an essay, then know that I go back and add those points. So don't worry about that. You'll get points for those. The syllabus quiz, though, is not counted toward your grades, so you don't need to worry about that. Like I said, the 3-day mandatory activity is discussion 1. So do that by this evening. The reply to discussion 1 needs to be done by Sunday. And then also I have some assigned pages from the textbook to get you started. If you do all of this and still have some time and would like to proceed to week 2, I did open the week 2 module. So we go to the module tab. And there's all the information that I just went over, the week 1. Just getting used to what format will be used in this course and introducing yourself in the discussion. Week 2, we'll actually get into the stories and use the textbook, and then the paper 1 guidelines are posted in the week 2 module. So if you have any questions while you're reviewing these first couple weeks in the modules, feel free to email me. I try to email you back within 24 hours. Our policy is 48 hours business days, but I know that some of you may work late on these assignments if you have a 9-to-5 job, or some of you may prefer to work on the weekends. So I try to be flexible and really get to your emails within 24 hours so that way you're not sitting around waiting to have a question answered. But some of the getting started information would be check the announcements, do discussion 1, and then take a look at all that formatting information in the week 1 module. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you all over the next 16 weeks. Bye.